Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Fusion page for basic effects in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, open the DaVinci Resolve and open your project and drag a clip into the timeline that you want to apply effects to. Then here, open the Fusion page or the Fusion tab. Then you'll need to understand the node system. Here you'll see a media in. This is in your video, while the media out is the final output. Effects are added between these two nodes using nodes instead of layers. And here are the basic effects that you can try. The text overlay. Just search text plus and add it and connect it to the media in and media one out using the merge node, and you can customize it in inspector panel. While the color tint, just go to the color correct and add it into the media in and media out. Same as with the blur effects to the zoom in or out. And tips, always connect the new nodes between media in and media out using the merge nodes if they add visual elements. And click on nodes and use the inspector panel to adjust their settings. Use the keyframes to animate properties over time. And that's how you're going to use the Fusion page for basic effects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.